Something that we produce very well in Portugal is ceramics. Very different kinds of ceramics to use in Portugal and to export to foreign countries. It's really a specialty. A Vida Portuguesa sells a lot of ceramics and different ones, but what we like in ceramics in Portugal is the stories they can tell. We choose products, for example, in ceramics that have history or a style very connected to the artists who worked to produce them. Or we like everyday products coming from generation to next generation. So it must have always a story to tell.